In this session, we'll give you an insight to an understanding of software architecture. The software architecture of a program or computing system is the structure or structures of the system which comprise software components and connectors, the externally visible properties of those components and connectors, and the relationships among them. The main uses of a software architecture are assessment and evaluation, configuration management, and dynamic software architecture. There can be two types of assessment and evaluation: stakeholder-based assessment and quality attribute-oriented assessment. For stakeholder-based assessment, it is concerned with determining whether the trade-off between requirements in the software architecture match the actual stakeholder priorities of these requirements. Whereas in quality attribute-oriented assessment, it aims at providing a quantitative prediction of one quality attribute like maintainability, performance, reliability, or security. One of the main uses of software architecture is in configuration management. Here, it is frequently used as a means to manage the configuration of the product. For dynamic software architectures, the software architecture should reorganize itself in response to the dynamic change of the system's quality requirements. It is maintained even during runtime. Designing of the software architecture is a major step in the life cycle process. This includes architecture design process and architectural styles. Architecture design process can be seen as a function that takes the requirement specification as input and generates an architectural design as output. It is not an automated process and requires great effort and creativity from the involved software architect. This is comprised of three steps: functionality-based design, assessment of the quality attributes, and architecture transformation. The design process starts with functionality-based design and consists of four steps: defining the boundaries and context of the system, identification of archetypes, decomposition of the system into its main components, the first validation of the architect by describing a number of system instances. Architecture transformation is concerned with selecting design solutions to improve the quality attributes while preserving the domain functionality. The design is again evaluated and the same process is repeated if necessary. The transformations, that is quality attribute optimizing solutions, generally improve one or some quality attributes while they affect others negatively. Thank you for attending this session. We'll be back with some more interesting topics.